Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Masita Mafirorizam, a doctoral student at Universitas Negeri Surabaya, Indonesia. I honor to present my thesis. The title is From Emotional Strain to Symbolic Violent Intention, a case study of Madure song Selingkuh Tak Mareh. Let me start with cultural criminology overview. Traditional criminology often ignore the representational dimension of crimes. The study shift the focus towards cultural texts, a side of emotional tensions, blurred lines between reality and representation, and imagining violence as a social response. Lyrics are not just entertained, they are symbolic construction of lived experience. Relational conflict are articulates where social norms and personal pain collide, and songs reveal how individuals interpret and respond to daily pressures in local contexts. And urgency of emotional strains. Emotional strains arises from betrayal, infidelity, and manipulation that persists over long periods. When tension is accumulates, individuals reach a limit where passive endurance transforms into resistance. Research objective analyze how chronic emotional strain in interpersonal relationships is represented in Madure's song lyrics. Examines the transition from emotional exhaustion to symbolic violence intention, and contextualize these responses within the framework of feminist criminology and general strain theory or GST. We use theory of feminist criminology, focus on women's position within unequal power structures. Findings suggest subordination shapes deviant responses. Women are often victim and potential offender or overlaps, and responses are roots in powerlessness. And in general strain theory, strain generates negative emotion, anger, frustration. This emotion shapes violent cognition or scripts, do not always lead to actual crimes, justify symbolic aggression as a coping mechanism. The victim offender overlaps. 75% studies suggest emotional abuse is the primary precursor to female defiance in relational settings, and the subject is simultaneously a victim or of betrayal and a producer of violence traits. This duality is critical for understanding agency within constraint. Qualitative methodology component approach. A qualitative interpretative single case study. Data source, lirik of Selingkuh Tak Mareh, Madure Song. Framework, GST, and feminist criminology integration. And analysis, textual and semiotic analysis, Bertesian interpretation. Case profile Madure song. The song Selingkuh Tak Mareh is a cultural artifact that reflects intense local relational conflict. Madure's language and metaphor provide unique insight into how passion and anger are culturally negotiated. And the results, chronic relational strain. We have lyric excerpts, Tak Marena, quote, no real solution, core meaning, continuous cycle of unresolved betrayal. Pak tahun sabar, quote, temporal, core meaning, long-term endurance beyond limits, and selingkuh hobina, quote, normalization, core meaning betrayal integrate into daily routine. Analyze temporal dimensions. The duration for years transforms acute stress into chronic strain. Emotional recovery is impossible due to the persistence of negative stimulus. When infidelity becomes a habit or hobby, the psychological impact is heightened as it signals a total loss of relational justice. Deep dive negative stimuli. GST pository source of strength. In the song, all three are present: failure to achieve a faithful relationship, loss of positive stimuli, trust or stability, and presence of negative stimuli, habitual infidelity. In violent escalation, we have lyric excerpt Ambuih Mata Iober, quote Peak Frustration, interpretation Stop or You'll Be Burned, and Tak Mengako, quote Denial Pressure, interpretation Partner refusal to admit heightened anger, and Leso, quote Exhaustion, interpretation Physical or physiological, I'm sorry, psychological peak of fatigue. Analyze the role of anger. Anger bridges the gap between strain and intention. It justifies the shift from waiting to threatening. When legal or social access are blocked, symbolic violence becomes the only available coping mechanism. Symbolic meaning of burning. Drawing on Barthes, the term burn or yopper carries heavy connotation. It is not literal arsonistry, but a metaphor for total destruction of the relationship and emotional release. Socio-cultural norm in local setting may prevent women from living despite being victim. Power imbalance ensure that aggression cannot be physical, forcing it into the discursive realm. Language allows for a safe expression of extreme anger without actual criminal repercussion. Symbolic violence uh, Symbolic violence intention is an active response, not passive suffering. It functions as a reclamation of agency in language, a cognitive script for future defense, and a signal that emotional endurance has reached its structural limit. Conclusion and contribution. In theoretical, validate GST in local culture text specifically for female relational strain and social highlight the symbolic traits a sign of systemic relational failure and structural constraint and outcomes. Intentional violence in lyrics is a peak response to unresolved chronic betrayal. Okay, it's the end. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.